Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I wanted to show you something that I have been wanting to do, and then I was just like, oh God, just the chore of doing it, really, because a lot of things that have to do with prepping, it's a chore. Let's be honest with each other. It's a chore. So I'm standing in front of my linen closet that's in my master bedroom. I had to rearrange a lot. I threw out a lot. One rule in my house, if you haven't used it for a year, you're obviously not going to use it. Get rid of it, right? Unless it's like holiday stuff. Then okay? But then, hey, guys, let's calm down. Let's calm down. We just had a delivery, so they're going nutso. Okay, Penelope, Janine, get down. So what I did here, okay, and I will tilt the camera down so you can see what I'm doing, okay? Okay, this is my linen closet. I emptied out 2 shelves, and then, okay, I have the floor down there too. And I have some toilet paper down there, all right? Now, when we're done with this part, I'll bring you over to the other linen closet where I always kept my HBA, okay, and show you what I did over there. So what I have here is a very large container with all of the HBA that was in the other closet. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm trying to compact, to make room, because of all of the preps that I have coming that I ordered. God help us all. So I'm going to do all of that, and then when I come back, I'll show you what I did, okay? And then I'll bring you over to the other closet, okay? And show you what I did in there. And then I need to make more room because of all the cleaning supplies. Underneath of my bathroom sink, it's like chaos in there once again. So, yeah, it's crazy. So, I'll be back with you in just a minute. Okay, now that it's all done, now the shelves in this closet go back a lot more than the other closet, the other linen closet. So I have more room because I ordered more HBA. Okay, so this entire thing will be more full. Okay, so this is deodorant, shampoo, conditioner. The next shelf down, body wash, body soap, toothpaste, toothbrushes, and razors. And then on the floor we have sanitary napkins, tampons, and then I have more room for more toilet paper. Okay, now over here we kept the first aid, okay? So you could see the first aid. I did order more stuff for first aid, but I wanted to keep the first aid in this closet. And then scroll down, and you can see that now we have all of our toilet paper and flushable wipes and stuff like that. And even some paper towels. Now up here is where I had a lot of our paper goods. Okay, I had to make room. Now I still have a lot of cleaning supplies up here, okay, and down here, and then underneath the kitchen sink. So I had to make room. So I don't want to put the cleaning supplies or leave the cleaning supplies in here because this is our other prepper pantry for food-wise. So I wanted to clean up that top shelf for more food supplies. And now I got to figure out where to go with these cleaning supplies. Should I put them in the garage? I don't know. Only because in the summertime, it gets so darn hot in there that I'm afraid that it will start to degrade the effects and the strength of the cleaning supplies, okay? Especially like with bleach, even the Lysol, even because, you know, oh, a box of pasta fell down. It's getting crazy in here. The bottles of Odoban, which I swear by, okay, it's getting crazy in here. So I need to start making room and rearranging, all the while keeping inventory, organization. Like I have said in so many videos, organization and inventory is so important, because if you don't know where your preps are and you have to grab them in mom brain, in an emergency, guess what? Your chaos just turned to anarchy in your brain, okay? So keep everything organized. That's what I'm doing, okay? I am trying to organize once again, keep everything neat and tidy, and my inventory book, my Prepper Pantry notebook with my inventory list. I'm going through everything, recategorizing everything, and putting in where they are now placed, because they are no longer in this room. Okay, so with the food preps that we have and the cleaning supplies, okay, the entire shelf, even like Andrew's, he's got some stuff in here still. Oh, this kid, he's driving me nuts. He even left clothes here. Mom, you know, so it's like, God help me. So, you know, we are trying to get everything done. But other than that, I just wanted to give you an update and show you what's new, what's going on with our different prepper pantries. And that's all for this video. Okay, I love you. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay warm, stay positive, and keep prepping. Bye.